you remember back in November when a video surfaced of the Pembroke High School teacher Marshall Crawford and one of her students, they were in a heated bout of verbal assault and threats towards each other. Well, after being put on a brief leave of absence, a disciplinary panel concluded that the incident did not amount to any other actions than a reprimand and is allowing Ms. Crawford to keep her job. In addition to this, the student is requesting a public apology from the teacher. The student. Debs?
You don't think it's merited though? I'm asking a genuine question here. I was not there. I just saw the video. Don't know the backstory. You know, videos only show a little part of it. So you don't know the entire context of the situation. So I'm asking. You don't know if it's. You don't think it's merited?
I think if he thinks he deserves an apology, then he also should think that he is supposed to give an apology.
Okay.
His behavior was wrong, and yes, her statement was wrong. But I've been in a classroom. I've been a teacher.
Yeah, I know it's rough.
Whoo,
yeah,
child!
I
Some
know.
of these kids.
It's hard. It's hard. My
So
mom
I
is a
think-
guidance counselor.
there
Trust
you
me.
go.
Sometimes I'm like, I don't know how you do this, but I always say like teachers are superheroes.
Yes.
Yeah.
But respect is due both ways.
I agree.
Respect is due both ways. And if he thinks he deserves an apology, he also should be ready to give an apology.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And may this be an example to the other students and teachers alike, you know, of how to treat each other and communicate better.
Yeah, man. We'll go on a little better, man.
Yeah, I
We'll go
know
on a
it's
little
rough,
better.
but we have to sometimes try to maintain our calm
Composure.
and cool.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Yeah. So glad that's sorted out.
Anyways,
What's next?
From a teacher getting back her job to teachers not willing to stay in their jobs. Now, following claims of significant teacher shortages affecting schools across the island, the Minister of Education has revealed some 390 public sector teachers resigned from their post over a 6-month period. At a media conference on Thursday, Carl Samuda said the teachers represented only 1% of the island's teachers, so it was not a great cause for concern.
First of all, that statement there. First of all, Mr. Samuda, sir, that statement is so wrong.
Listen.
How can you say that? You just made every teacher that decided to go away feel
Said,
so
"Me glad."
inconsequential. Yeah, and then they're like, okay, you know what?
I know.
See that? That's why I'm left.
I know.
If you don't make people first and foremost feel important and valued in their
Yeah.
jobs, that's part of the reason why they're not staying.
Exactly. You have to get to the root cause of why are they leaving? Why are they leaving? Is it that the opportunities away are better? Like,
Of course
what
it
is happening?
Of course it is. The
You
money is
know?
always better. We might not be a better situation, but financially, it usually works out better. A friend of mine is preparing to go right now. He leaves in a couple of weeks. And that's what it boils down to.
Mercy.
Because but if you are going to look at 400 people
And
who
say
just
it's
get up from them job and say,
Not really significant, sir. You can go on.
a
Thanks for your
1%
service.
turn
All the
around
best.
big. What? Don't do that. Don't do that, sir.
Yeah, no,
Don't do
it's
that,
like-
sir.
yeah.
That's never cute.
Listen.
Teachers, we value you.
It-
I go into the classroom with my daughter. And if me can manage her 24 hours a day, I don't know how
Yeah.
to manage. So many people pick me. Thank you for what you do.
For all the teachers, man, trust me. And
Thank
sometimes
you.
I do believe that the teachers are unnumbered. Like we need more teachers assigned to classrooms. When you have a classroom of 30 odd students, sometimes with one teacher alone,
Yeah.
having to manage so many personalities from different backgrounds,
Yeah,
it's rough,
different
bro.
educational levels, different speeds of learning.
Oh my God.
That's why I'm up for band my belly, you know. And so now when our classroom
I
is
know.
small.
It's rough, man.
No.
But we love you, teachers. We love you all.
True.
Every
Happy
single one of you.
Valentine's Day or post Valentine's Day
Mwah.
to the teachers. We don't deserve it.
Yeah, man.
All right, next up. 17 deportees arrived in the island on a chartered flight from the UK on Tuesday afternoon. A spokesperson for the UK Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, said that the 17 are serious foreign criminal offenders who had to be deported to their country. Foreign virus. This is
I'm
not a
doing
virus
long
that
jump with the mask over my face.
But then you can't
God
breathe
know,
properly,
I
and
am.
you can't get enough air, and then you don't
I
run to your
know,
optimum.
exactly.
But I'm going to tell you what got up right here. You say all of the top of the top them, when them don't go, the second them are going to say blouse and skirt. Blouse and skirt here is an opportunity for me to take the
You think so? You think so? Really?
Well, I mean, that's That's what I would
No,
do.
I'm sorry. I don't. I get representing your country and the sport, but your personal well-being is of top priority.
64,000 people.
Let me tell you something. My birthday was February 7th, and I wanted to go away, and I said, I have a cold. Thank you very much. I had a cold, and I said, no, so I'm not going nowhere though. Am I all right here, so you know?
I personally wouldn't go.
All right.
And that's just how I feel in my soul.
Eat some food and go and chill.
But, in the same breath, let us not take a big judgment call right now.
Yeah, because I'm sure they would have been
February.
putting things in place as well that would assist with.
It's February. They still haven't come up with an
antidote, yeah.
Yeah, that's. I was gonna say an antiviral injection, but okay. Yeah, they haven't come up with that. But once they do, which they will.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll find something.
Yeah, it should temper it a bit, and then
hopefully.
we should be okay.
They said that April the sun will come out, so.
So yeah, wait for the sun for the little warmth to kill it.
That's what I think somebody had said that the other day on the news somewhere, so that the sun will come out and the virus will go.
My face? I don't know if this is my face.
That was my reaction as well.
It would not depend on the sun to kill a virus.
That was my reaction. I was like, the sun is out in many places and it's still there existing.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. They're saying that you can't live in extreme heat. Not just. That's why we probably not get to because our sun right at this spot in J is blazing.
Exactly.
But that ain't what we talking about. We talking about like it got to be like oven hot to kill this thing.
Exactly.
So,
boy, well,
you would go? No.
I sent a tape of myself running as a match this time.
What about
match this time?
What about the people who like buy tickets already
exactly,
and hotel
exactly all the attendees and all these people? I don't know, man. If that image of China and you know the reports coming out of CNN saying that a lot of China is going to be shut down for the next couple of months, you know, because of the fact that it's spreading so fast. Is there anything at all to go by?
I don't know how it's going to be possible. The fact that they don't even consider this, well, let me not say that. I'm sure they've considered the safety of the athletes, but the fact that they have weighed the pros and the cons and decided that, hey, it makes more sense to go ahead is actually quite worrisome to me.
We'll see, because I'm sure there's monies and, you know, sponsorship dollars and all of those things. Some of it already in place for it to happen in Tokyo.
So sponsorship dollars, them can't move? Money can't move?
But the monies would have been spent to build out the area with an entitlement that a lot of these people are waiting on to get back for their investments. So it's going to be difficult to move that.
All right, if you say so,
we'll
see.
I'm thinking
I look forward to see July 24. Shelly, don't go. Like he's my favorite athlete, don't go.
No, man.
Don't go.
Please.
And remember, Zai, don't go.
Exactly.
That's it this morning for our trending topics, guys. You know where to let us know how you feel about it. Go onto our page. Tell us how you feel on Twitter, on our Smile Jam page on Instagram, on Facebook. And, of course, you know we want to air how you feel about all of these topics. Would you go to the Olympics? Did you already buy your ticket? Are you still planning to go? I'd love to hear that. Let us know.